Over the 17 years that I've been teaching, one thing that I've learned is the education landscape and technology are always changing. Our students of today are just different from those of just a few years ago. One thing that has seemed to stay consistent is being told students do better if they know what they are learning. I have seen this in many forms, but students still seem confused. Finally, at a professional development, Hattie put some research behind all this chatter about clarity, so there is no more denying and brushing it off. Time to roll up our sleeves and get to work making sure students are clear on what they are learning and how to learn it. But how, I ask, how do we know if students are clear? How can we help them be clear on not only what they need to learn, but the success criteria so they know if they have learned it or need to seek some more help? Imagine traveling to a different country. Would you do it if you had no idea where you were going or how you would get there? What would you pack? Paperwork to travel? Language? And the list goes on. N steps technology to get a clear understanding of what is needed and what is expected to a successful trip. Digging into my research on student clarity, I found the answer was there all along. Once the path was laid, we just needed to utilize these digital platforms and ideologies that our students are already using and accustomed to. We can use existing digital platforms to give our students a chance to show their learning on what they are learning and what success looks like. So what it comes down to is it's not the tools you use, but how they are used. And if clarity is a foundation for student learning, then let me show you how to embrace and utilize the technology to achieve this goal.